Hi, in the last videos we talked about the Go path. In this video we're going to be talking about how a typical Go project is structured. So a typical Go project has a parent directory called /go, which has three subdirectories: the source, the bin and the package. All of your source code goes over here. So if you want to get started with the new Go project, you simply create a folder over here, and as soon as you compile that folder, all of your compiled binaries are going to go inside this folder /bin. /package contains all of the intermediate objects that are to be linked during compile time to create a self-contained binary. So I used a lot of jargons over here, so I'm just going to step back and explain it to you step by step. So the Go compiler has a function called the linker. So every time you compile your source code, it looks inside the package directory for prerequisites, and combining both of these two using the linker, it creates a self-contained binary. So that is a pretty good thing about Go, that all of its binaries are self-contained. So I'm going to show you a demonstration of the file system of Go. You just cd into your Go path and you'll be able to see the source, the bin and the package. So if you go to source, you'll be able to see all of the projects over here, and if you go to package, you will be able to see all of the packages, the Linux AMD 64, the dependencies and everything. And the bin directory has all of the compiled binaries. So you just do /glide or /something to run it. So as we move along the further videos, in the more advanced section, we're going to be talking a bit more about the Go runtime and the Go compiler. So till then, see ya.